Everyone, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. I'm also 24K on Instagram. We want to thank our new friends at the Home Depot for sending this Google Nest Hello to test out and review. Now, they're sponsoring this video insofar as for the review of the hardware itself. So we're going to go ahead and check out the quick details on the outside of the box, and then we'll get inside for the unboxing. It does HDR video, HD talk and listen, person alerts, and familiar face alerts. It also has pre-recorded quick responses and quiet time. Also works with your Google Assistant. So if you have a Google device in your home, this will work with that. These are great for package deliveries to see who's coming up to your door. Everything that the holidays have to offer, so you know who's coming and what is coming to your home. Now we'll get inside the box. This is a wired video doorbell unit, so you will need installation with the wires outside of your home. If you need some help, they have a professional help link in here on how to set this up. So the button is here on the bottom and the camera is here on the top. So it's two items. Area here on the back. This is where you plug in the power to test it and to get it mounted for your home. Going further inside the box, they have the mounting hardware. They also have some details about the unit itself right here. Check these out. So 1, 2, 3 step on how to get started. So they make it pretty easy. And this is for the installation right here. So install piece right there. And then you have a little bit of a toolkit that they supply as well right there, and then the back plate pieces right here, so in case you have an angle you can get it installed as well. So those are back plate pieces, and inside of here are all your little pieces to get everything sorted. So this is the Google Nest Hello, and this was brought to you by our friends at the Home Depot. Again, they're sponsoring just the review of this product, and we're excited to get this up and running before the holidays. This is Chris Roshna on 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thank you.